Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today on Mama Bui's menu, we are making mushroom, onion and spinach saute. This dish guys is super fast side dish that's perfect for two, but it's always easy to double or triple for a crowd. So let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. So let's get right into the ingredients. You will need spinach, onions, black pepper, salt, mushroom, garlic, red pepper flakes, and olive oil. So let's get started. In a large skillet, heat oil over medium-high heat. Add the onions. Saute until tender and translucent. Add the mushrooms and saute until tender, about 2 minutes. Add garlic. Cook 1 minute. This recipe is so easy guys to make. It only takes 10 minutes from start to finish. Stir occasionally. Add spinach in batches. Cook and stir until wilted, about 1 minute. Season with salt, black pepper, and red pepper flakes. I love spinach guys. It's easy to find, easy to grow, and easy to love. Spinach is one of the healthiest, most versatile vegetable out there. Cooked or raw, spinach has a mild flavor that's great mixed into salads or added to smoothies. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe and to hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload yummy recipes. There you have it guys, mushroom, onion and spinach saute. Share this video with your friends and your family. Until next time guys, bye. Honey for my honey.